Hello, and welcome to another video in Practical Gardening.
This is our beautiful sandpaper vine 2 weeks ago, showing an incredible display of blooming flower clusters. The vine sits high atop the garden arbor, but still, who wouldn't want to propagate a beautiful vine like this? Today, we'll be propagating the sandpaper vine via a technique called marketing or air layering. Here's a video of the recently pruned sandpaper vine. Since most of the branches are on a garden arbor, we will need a high ladder to market its branches. So let's approach the ladder to reach up the vine. Now on the way up, let's not forget the marketing kit to bring with us. I posted the above link to show how the marketing kit is prepared. Click on it for your reference. Careful as we go up the ladder. Immediately, we can see some branches that are likely candidates for marketing. Here's one that's roughly 1/4 inch in diameter. We'll need to remove some of these leaves and flowers that get in the way. Here's another branch that can be marketed also, but for today, let us choose this branch. Choose a branch that is brown, a bit mature, and is around 1/4 inch thick. Determine the direction of growth. This branch grows to the left. Earlier, I trimmed a spent flower cluster since it was getting in the way. Now, let's remove a couple of leaves to give us more room. We will start with the top cut of the market wound. It is the top cut because it's nearer the top end of the branch. With the cutter, cut around the branch perimeter to make a ring cut. Make a parallel cut around 1 inch to the right of the top cut. This second ring cut is the bottom cut of the market wound. Slice off the bark layer in strips. Remove the brown bark as well as the greenish cambium layer. Remove all the soft fleshy layers so that it is only the white woody part that is left behind on the market wound. Continue scraping off the layers around the stem in between the two parallel cuts. Ensure that the scraped off layers are thin. The slices should not be too thick, and this is to prevent the premature breaking of the branch. This is where a small, compact mirror becomes helpful when marketing in tight spaces and where the branch cannot be repositioned. You may work on removing the bark and cambium layer with one hand holding the mirror and the other hand working with the cutter or knife as I'm doing here. If you find holding the mirror challenging, view the back of the branch first with the mirror, then work on the branch. Occasionally, check the market wound with the mirror. Check for the back of the branch as well as the bottom. It is important to remove all the cambium layer. The cambium layer transports the product of photosynthesis to the plant roots for survival. By cutting the cambium, the plant is stimulated to repair the damage. Since there are nutrients and water held in place by our marketing medium, roots will grow. Ensure that only the white woody part of the branch is left. Otherwise, there may be a tendency for a callus to grow, and that may lead to a failed market. Feel the wound of the market to ensure there are no loose slivers of bark material left on the wound. Again, continue cleaning the market wound as needed and checking with the mirror. To apply the marketing medium on the wound, we put some of the cocoa dust mix into a piece of coconut husk. The cocoa dust mix is our marketing medium, while the piece of coconut husk is the shell to contain the medium. Keep the wet cocoa dust compacted inside the coconut husk shell. Get a piece of plastic sheet. Bring the marketing material to the branch and wrap it around the branch wound. While holding the marketing medium with one hand, the other hand wraps the plastic sheet around the marketing material. Wrap the plastic sheet tightly but avoid spilling out of the marketing medium. Pinch one end of the rolled plastic sheet. While pinching it tightly, get one tie wire. Wrap it around the end and twist. At this point, there may be loose marketing material inside the plastic sheet. Push this with your finger. Use a wooden stick to further push and compact the material inside the plastic sheet as shown. Pinch this end tightly and use another tie wire to secure it. Be sure the market ball is tight and compact. Turn the market ball a bit. If it is loose, tighten the tie wires even further. For detailed explanation of the materials and tools we used, please see the marketing kit link posted above. It will take around 3 to 4 weeks before we will see any root development in the market.